What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the Sofi stock. We absolutely launched today and blew past the $8 level, came back a little bit, and then surpassed it again, guys. The Sofi stock right now is showing insane strength. I had to go back 5-6 months, and I didn't find a 7% close day in literally the last 6 months, guys. We had one day trading over 6%, but guys, this is the biggest move in literally half a year. Wait until you continuously see these moves day in and day out, week in and week out. You're really going to get the true valuation of the SoFi stock. I believe that's going to happen when rates come down, and you're going to potentially see these bearish analysts raise their price targets up a little because they're going to get absolutely smashed on their rankings if they continue to hold these low price target levels. We're going to be covering a ton of data for you guys today, so strap into your seatbelts. This is going to be an extremely bullish video, and if you guys have been following the channel for a long time, I'm telling you right now, it is just a matter of time before SoFi stock sees its true valuation of what the company is worth, guys. I'm not talking about, the crazy, cybersecurity levels. I'm not talking about, these AI bubbles. Guys, just on a simple price to sales valuation of a profitable company that's growing, 30 to 40% compounded the last 3 years, this should be trading at a 6 times sales at the bare absolute minimum. The legacy banking, bank stocks are trading at 3 times sales. We are literally trading at 3.5 times sales right now. We are trading at legacy banking valuations. This stock should be absolutely twice as high in my personal opinion. And I believe once the rates start to get cut, you're going to see this valuation ramp up very quickly. And we're getting a lot of new viewers on the YouTube channel. And I'm telling you right now, this stock is just waiting to absolutely explode in a better, lower interest rate environment. And you guys can see, if you search the SoFi stock at the top of YouTube, the top creator is the Stock Goat. We are going to be keeping you updated just like we've been keeping you updated for the past 3 years, guys. Patience is going to pay off, and that is why I have not sold out of this stock the entire time. It has been getting absolutely hammered by the shorts because these short sellers will feel the pain eventually. I can guarantee you that. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look. Finishing up 7.2% on the day. Absolutely smashing past 8 early on in the day, guys. We hit like $8.25. Looks like, we had some profit taking. That's fine. Maybe some short selling pressure. But look at this, guys. We literally bounced off the $7.99 level. Guys, look at what I've been saying the entire time. This stock is controlled down to the pennies. We are seeing manipulation week in and week out with these call options, the greed. We're going to take a look at that as well. But I'm just showing you guys a pullback to $7.99. How does that make sense? And then boom, we finished a little bit higher on the day, 803. So maybe some big whales just wanted to put the pain on these short sellers. Now take a look at the indexes, guys. S&P 500 red, Dow up 0.59, NASDAQ tech heavy red. That's those, semiconductors, NVIDIA cooling off. Russell 2000 up a little bit, 0.66. So today was a pretty flat day inside of the overall market. And we even had great GDP news and the market still wasn't exploding. SoFi separated itself from everybody on a day like this and just freaking mooned today, guys. Insane volume. GDP growth surprises to upside in Q2, easing hard landing fears, exactly what we want to be hearing going into these rate cuts. Gross domestic product grew by 3% last quarter. A Commerce Department report showed in its second estimate better than expected, a 2.8% growth and a jump from the 1.4% annualized growth seen in the first 3 months of the year. So guys, Q2 absolutely destroyed Q1 and came in higher than estimates, guys. And remember, what are you really betting on right now? You're not betting on the SoFi stock. You're not betting on the business. You're betting on the management running the business. And Anthony Noto has done everything in his power to get this company prepared for a 2025 moon launch to the stratosphere. He took the cautious approach in the Q1, the Q2 earnings and pulled back lending dramatically, closed the credit box, got the defaults down. And what happened to us? Our valuation went down. Our growth slowed dramatically. And guess what? Now he is telling you that they are ready to launch this bad boy to the moon and open up the floodgates with all three businesses. This is the reason why GDP exploding, defaults coming down. He took a cautious approach, 6 months, and I'm telling you, it's going to pay off for the next 12 to 24 months because we're going to $45 in the mid 2026. And Anthony Noto and his team are going to land these $100 million bonuses across the board. And we are going into the S&P 500. Okay. That's what's going to happen. We're going to print $1 billion plus in profitability in 2026, just like Nubank did last year. And we are going to become the #1 fintech in America, guys. I'm telling you, it is just a matter of time. Anthony Noto is playing chess. Now, guys, take a look at this post I put out yesterday. I just had that gut feeling, deep down. August 28th, yesterday, 2:22 p.m. We saw the Nvidia fears going on. We saw SoFi going, massively sell off. Final shakeout. I said strap in. And look at this, guys. We got the biggest move in 6 months on the SoFi stock, closing out the day, smashing over that $8 resistance, guys. So be sure to follow me on Twitter because you're going to get some updates like these coming in hot all the time. All right, guys, now take a look at this. Here it is. Shorts have never covered this stock. As of today, they still have not covered. They are out of time. These are the three big, data points I want you guys to look out for. We got the fireside chat coming in hot. Anthony Noto is going to get us a good grasp on what's coming on for Q3 earnings. That's 11 days away. The CPI report is coming in 13 days, followed 7 days later by the first rate cut from the Fed 20 days out, guys. And that's looking like a 25 right now because we got GDP exploding across the board. The consumer is extremely strong and defaults are down. Short interest 19%, 190 million shares sold short, guys. This has never discouraged me from buying the SoFi stock for the past 2 years. The higher it goes, the more I buy because I continue to look at these fundamentals, and these guys are going to get smoked out of their jock straps. I'm telling you right now, these guys are going to pay a true price of pain very, very soon. I think 2025 is liftoff, guys, and I still think we're going a lot higher in 2024. Now, take a look at this, guys. We got some breaking news. New price target increases coming in hot. Stock Goat at Goat Capital raises price target from his $14 level to $14.50, seeing massive acceleration in all three revenue streams in Q3 and Q4. He also predicts 200% EPS growth quarter over quarter heading into Q3 with record members between 720,000 and 760,000, guys. I'm telling you right now, this bad boy is going to explode. Just look at the ranking on this guy. He's ranked 69th out of 9,028 Wall Street analysts and 69th out of 38,000 experts on tip ranks. 5-star analyst, guys. I'm telling you right now, this bad boy is about to fly. Strap into your seatbelts because the time is coming. Now, I just want you to look at the last 5 trading days and see what's going on with the volume and the price action, okay? We came in hot, 4.5% with 52 million volume on the 22nd. Pretty solid. Volume decreased to 31 million. Hey, we still made our way up 2%. Volume decreased again to 27 million. We made our 1% move. And then volume came in a little bit higher, but we had the big fears with the Nvidia earnings, negative 3.6%. And then, guys, look at the volume today. This is what the shorts cannot stop. They cannot stop that big volume. 84 million, boom, 7%, finishing over that $8 resistance, guys. I'm telling you right now, the shorts are absolutely screwed. They are fully loaded to the max. And it is going to be a massive, long-term short squeeze or a, short duration short squeeze. It doesn't matter. These guys are going to get squeezed out of the position. We're talking on the last update, 18.4% short interest, over 192 million shares sold short, guys. This is an absolutely insane short position on a company that's been profitable and growing in this environment the past 3 quarters in a row. This is the money-making quarter, guys. This is the holy grail quarter I've been talking about. 4 quarters in a row of profitability. Tesla was shorted from 2013 to 2019 at the exact same levels, 20 to 30%. Once they hit their 4 quarters in a row of profitability, the stock ran up, 14x, okay? It is just a matter of time. I'm telling you right now, be patient, do your due diligence, and don't forget to DCA on opportunities because these short sellers are going to pay very soon. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Once again, if you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. It's just a matter of time before the SoFi stock truly explodes and takes off to its true valuation. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.